This is my 2011 subrosa tiro. I got it this time last year, so it's not that old. Well, basically, I'm gonna do a bike check, and I'm gonna tell you what stuff I have and what stuff I recommend and what stuff I don't. Um, in the front, I have a stolen revolver double shot front in matte blue. I really, really like this bit. I think it's really good, and if you like blue, it's a cool blue. Uh, it it hasn't bent, and I'm pretty sure I've done stuff that would bend. It's not even bent a little bit. Um, mission circuit fork, highly recommended. I mean, if you're a rider and you're looking not to spend like $100 on a fork, I would highly recommend this one. This one's really good, and I I don't know what to tell you. It has like a screwing cap bolt thing, and I don't like that at all. But if you just get like a headset that uses one of these things, and you just push it in there, it works so good. I have the regular subrosa Pandora bars. I fell yesterday trying to three over on off a staircase. Sorry about that. Kind of bent them. Um, I got the regular tiro stem, which I spray painted. I was looking for the color white. I got the color white, so it's not painted good at all, but it's white and people can notice that it's white. Um, I have the ODI long neck grips in cyan blue. I like them. Not many people like the straight line grips, the ones that are just like circles. But these ones will change the way you think about them. Uh, the ODI grip bar ends, not grip bar ends. UGP seats, got it at Trend Seller. I'm not too good with the quality, but you know, it works and it's much better than the plastic one. I have no clue why I decided to get this rainbow one. Um, just don't even ask. Uh, these animal pedals, do not get them. Don't. They suck really bad. I ordered new ones, the Shadow Conspiracy Ravengers, and these ones are honestly, they're purple. You're gonna buy the clear blue ones expecting what's in the picture. These are clearly purple. Maybe not in the video, but they're purple. Onto the back, hold on. I have Shadow Conspiracy C-Post Pivotal. It's not too much to worry about. KMC Crazy Link Chain. Yep, it matches my seat, so I got it from a friend for free. So my other chain was totally screwed. Animal TWW or Tommy Whitewall tire. I like this tire a lot. Do not put this tire in the back if you get it, or if you get two, that's good. Because when you put your foot up to like do this, it totally just kills the tire. That's why I switched it. Um, I got that, and I got this stolen um I say a lot in this video. I got the stolen revolver black, but I sent it back because it didn't come with a like. No, this one clearly says stolen. Hold on, let me find it. Clearly says stolen. If you can see it. Clearly says it. This one at all, anywhere. Which, so I'm kind of mad. But I like the hub. It's not too loud. This is the hub sound. Hold on. You know, not too loud, nothing to worry about. That's my bike check, and hope you enjoy it. Enjoy it. Rate, comment, subscribe, whatever you want to do. That's my bike. $500 if you want it. Ask me. $500. Only 500.